Okay, this is the damage that I received over my neighborhood. I'm approximately at Groostock and 59. So this is basically 59 right now. As you can see, it's flooded about 4 feet, heading south. Let's see if I can get up here. And then apparently going north it's flooded as well. To make it through. And it looks like we have one car stuck. It looks like further down there's even more flooding. Can't see it, but down the street there's all sorts of knocked down trees. Let's take a look over here, and it's just nothing but knocked down trees. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, well, it's getting rainy, so I gotta put up the phone.